The signal keeps returning in fragments. Like something unfinished beneath the static. Pressure crawling through the frequency. heart. Somewhere beneath the skyline. machine, horizon, black infrastructure, machine, horizon, now, end. The horizon remains, built from steel and shadow. Something keeps appearing inside the signal. Then disappearing back into the static. Smashing through underground chambers, smoke spiraling beneath red warning strobes. Bodies moving like dark machinery, lost inside hypnotic repetition. Acid frequencies ripping through silence like electrical fractures across steel veins. Nobody speaks inside this warehouse. Only movement, only shadows, only bassline shaking the floor. Static, phantom, static, phantom, static, phantom, static, black holes, black holes. Cool train lights fading through tunnels, empty reflections behind scratched glass. Every face feels emotionally disconnected, like the city erased its own identity. Static underneath, sleepless eyes, electric tension beneath pale skin. Even breathing sounds synthetic now, mechanical, restless, disconnected. Accelerating, signal collapsing, no silence inside the transmission. Smoke flooding across warehouse floors, base pressure shaking steel foundations, dark silhouettes beneath red lighting, moving through industrial fog. Acid distortion tearing through the darkness like fear transformed into sound waves. Everything feels colder tonight. Cold lights, cold air, cold shadows. Static, phantom, no signal. Static, phantom, no escape. The phantom never disappeared. It stayed inside the static. Noise never fully disappears. It only moves farther into the dark. Only basslines shaking the floor. Distant, static. Distant, static. Black, signal. Black, signal. Train lights disappearing through tunnels, empty reflections behind scratched glass. Every face feels emotionally erased, like the city forgot its own pulse. Static underneath sleepless eyes, electric tension beneath pale skin. Even silence sounds synthetic now, mechanical, restless, disconnected. Signal collapsing, pulse accelerating, no escape from the transmission. Shaking steel foundations, dark silhouettes beneath red lighting. frequency keeps fading.